Where we do nothing but insane things. Alright, sorry for that what.
Can I borrow your iPad to do that?
Chill, Gabby.
I'll
Chill.
laugh at all your dumb little memes if you let me borrow your
What little memes? We don't got memes. We got dank memes.
Get that thing in my face.
Let's see it.
I'm gonna make a suicide channel.
Right.
I'm gonna name it suicide and then
What? Focus here.
hey guys, welcome to my show.
It doesn't show it, but it says can't feed in off lane if you got to safe lane. Alright. But either way, guys, here's the pig, the gorilla. We got a panda too. We got many zoo animals in our bus right now. We're currently on the bus. We have many. We don't just got one. We got many. We got.
Tape. We'll feed you
Yeah.
later.
Hey, can I please just borrow your iPad? I will do anything.
We'll feed you later.
We'll feed you later. Yeah,
I have
chill.
lots of food.
No.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah. Okay. Yes, but we have currently. We're gonna be spying. We are going to be no.
Then you can access everything.
All right, guys. I don't know if you're paying attention. I don't know if you guys are paying attention, but Good Gorilla here, one of the animals. We'll try to make her animal noises here in a second. I'll try. Okay. But here, 1 second, guys. So here's the story, guys. Here's the story, guys. He gave her his iPad. She asked him for his password to his iPad. So she goes, I need the password to the iPad. And he just lets her down, goes, no. It's pretty funny. Yeah, proud of himself. Okay, what?
No, don't.
I gotta read this here real quick, guys. This meme. Can't be as if you never make it. That's very smart. Okay. Alright, guys. We gotta make her laugh here. So, what do you got your sketchbook for? Spanish? No one likes Spanish. Why? You like writing Sri Shavakadu or something? You gonna like making a story about Sri Shavakadu or something? What's so funny, Gabby? At least I got a life.
You have one like mine. Wait, what?
Roast here on this bus.
I know. See, I don't roast people at all.
That's right, you snort.
We were roasting Gabby. Yeah, you kicked my butt. Oh yeah. Great for you, Gabe.
People are just gonna like take screenshots and like turn into the meme right there. Your face right there. What's that face though? Stuff what? Oh no, guys. Oh no! You popped my personal bubble.
Portland, I don't care. I bumped my head.
I bumped my head and got straight A boo boo. That's messed up. You can't get company for Valentine's Day if you don't have no run. Yeah, use that noggin of yours. 2 + 2 is 4 - 3 = 1. Do math. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna pause the video until we get her to laugh and snort. Snort, guys. That's the word I was looking for. We are going to get her to snort. Let me do this against the glare. I will get her to snort, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. I am going to send a meme to Gabby. It's pretty funny, guys. You will see. But 1 second, guys. We are sending it right now, currently. We're going to get her to snort.
Can you give me a password?
She's a... Yeah, give her a password again.
I actually
I got it on video. No, I actually didn't. Did you just say thank you? You're not supposed to say thank you. You're supposed to say welcome.
You know my mind can't handle that.
What mind? What mind?
What? Excuse too scared for that.
This video is going pretty long, bro. What are you doing? This is like cringe. You're turning my videos into cringe. Oh my god, guys, this is like Pokemon Go song again. I play Pokemon Go every single day, except it's like worse.
Pretty at the same time.
Guys, she just took a picture of her, and she's probably gonna make it another Kermit the Frog or some. We're gonna make it a meme. What face is that good for? What kind of face is that good for?
What's a funny meme?
Huh. Be like, you do not simply. You gotta be like, one. You would be like, one does not simply not smile for the camera.
No, it's not. Wait, what? How did that other one go?
How did what go?
This one. It can't be.
It can't be a typo. It can't be ugly if it doesn't have a face. That's what you should put on it.
No, like this.
Oh, I need a last name too. What should my last name be? Suicide Boy. Suicide Boy? That's already taken.
Any day
It's
now.
not a gorilla. It's not a gorilla. No, it's a gorilla. If it's typed on. No, okay, I'll just do the one meme.
What meme?
It's the.
The typo one?
Yeah.
Alright, be right back, guys, because he's taking forever to do this. I'll bring it right back. It is currently not working, guys, so we're going to have to do this another time. But we cannot get her to snort right now. So, guys, it's not working, so we're going to eventually do it, though, on this channel. I promise you, a snort from her. What you doing there?
Wrong number, sir.
What you doing there, Gabby?
Bro, I'm making a promotion hotline.
Alright, guys. So here I am with camera on. Look at the camera. Alright, guys. I'm saying peace. I don't think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. But go subscribe to his channel right here. I Wike Coke. Like I Wike, W-I-K-E Coke. I Wike Coke. Go subscribe, guys.